Hello everyone. In this video, we will see how we can get the halftone text effect in Adobe Illustrator. First, open up Illustrator and choose any canvas of your liking. Then, using the text tool, write something of your liking and choose the font size and style according to your liking. Now resize and relocate according to your liking and right-click on it to choose Create Outlines. Now, go to the Object option in the top bar and select Rasterize. In the window that pops up, click OK. Then go to Effects and select Color Halftone under Pixelate option. In the window that pops up, play with the parameters according to your liking and click on OK. Now go to Image Trace and open the panel as shown. Now, in the Advanced section, play with the parameters according to you. Liking and click on Trace, and you are done. If you found the video useful, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you again soon.